Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the brand new features on Autosnipe. They've been adding a lot of stuff recently to make the whole trading experience more complete and a lot smoother overall. If you've been following this channel for the past year now, you'll know that I've made quite a few videos about Autosnipe. In my opinion, it is one of the best trading bots on Solana right now, especially for people just getting into memecoin trading, and it's improved a lot over the last year since I started talking about it. They've added a lot of features you don't see on other platforms, like this AI sniper, which I've talked a lot about. Basically, you just set up filters and it'll snipe coins for you based on those filters and automatically optimize your fees and slippage. They've also got this built-in copy trading, which not a lot of web-based trading terminals do right now, as well as this trader lens feature, which lets you analyze any Solana wallet. Then you get a full breakdown of their trading performance over the last 7 or 30 days. Then of course you can choose to copy trade it directly on Autosnipe. Today though, we're going to jump straight into the new features. As always, if you do like what you see and you want to try out Autosnipe, my link down below will get you 10% off your trading fees for life. Alright, let's start over here on the meme vision page. The first thing I want to mention, you probably noticed it already, they've now added chart previews onto each token in the graduating and graduated columns. This is something I know a lot of people liked from BullX, these chart previews, so it is great to see that feature over here on Autosnipe now. Anyway, next up, while we're on meme vision, you can now hover over the logo of any token to zoom in and have a closer look. As you can see, this also supports GIFs. As with most other platforms, they now also support bonk tokens. I think I'm slightly late to the party on reporting that one, but there you go nonetheless. Another new feature, you can now finally export the private key of your Autosnipe wallet. Bearing in mind that is only available when you're creating a new account on Autosnipe by connecting a fresh wallet. Just make sure you take a note of it right then, because you won't be able to see it again after that. Moving on, if we go into a token page for a second, you'll see they've now added quick buy and quick sell presets. If we go into this little pencil icon here, you can create and save up to 5 different presets with different quick buy amounts, custom sell amounts, different priority fee settings if you want, bribery, slippage, all that good stuff. Just go to add and then configure that and just save preset when you're done. Remember, Autosnipe also offers these AI optimized and AI bullet fee options, which work nicely. I personally use the AI bullet fees, I find they work the best. Just to cover off as well, in case you missed my last video, they also recently added this trailing stop loss feature. This is a really handy feature for maximizing your profits. So whether you're just starting out in meme coins or you're looking for a new place to trade, as always, I can highly recommend Autosnipe. If you are checking it out, make sure to use my link down below for 10% off your trading fees. If you want to know more about Autosnipe, you can check out these videos on the screen right now. That's all for now folks, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.